So the first thing we're gonna do is remove our lid, and we're gonna remove the little roller piece inside. So you just give it a little twist. You might need someone to help you with that. And we're gonna go ahead and put that there. Now we're gonna take our measuring cup, we're gonna measure out organic castor oil and organic safflower oil. So here we have our castor oil. I'm gonna measure 5 ml. Looks about like that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add safflower oil. Another 5 ml, bring it right up to that 10 ml line right there. So there you have it. You can take your little wooden stir stick, mix this guy up, and then we're gonna go ahead and pour it into our container. So now the next part's really fun. We get to choose the color of lava we want in our gloss today. So today I'm gonna take this sort of a deep purple glycerin colorant, and I'm gonna add between 30 and 40 drops. And I can just give it a good squeeze, something like that. Isn't that fun? You can see it's all starting to work there. And now I'm gonna add a fragrance. I really love bubblegum, so I'm just gonna add 5 to 10 drops of bubblegum flavoring. There we go. Now we're gonna add our little roller ball back, add the cap, and we're just going to gently rotate it like this. Mix everything in, and you can see you're already getting that lava effect. Now, if you decide to shake it like crazy and it mixes like this, don't fear. Just let it sit for a little while and you'll see it's going to separate again. So you'll still get that lava effect. So just give it a few minutes, let it stand. There you go. You have 5 more in this kit that you can make. Mix up your colors. Have a good time. So there you have it. An awesome all-natural lip gloss. You can throw your labels on there. You can decorate the labels as you wish. Make these for your friends, your family. This makes an excellent gift, or treat yourself. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial and you want to see more, go ahead and visit our website, kissnaturals.com, or click to subscribe. Until next time.